But I must say that the whole Max Lens Mod stabilization thing is just like magic. Look at how bouncy this camera is on my skateboard. Like when you look down at it, you would say this footage is unusable, but when you play it back, it's crazy how much it stabilizes that vibration on the camera. So it does a good job, and even putting it on Whiskey, he likes to run around with it, he shakes a bit, and it's crazy how much it stabilizes it. But the thing that you'll notice between the Telesin one and the GoPro one is that warping effect. And maybe you don't notice it on a phone, but if you're watching it on your computer or on a TV, you'll definitely see a little bit of that warping effect. However, you only do get that warping effect when it's really shaking a lot, so depending on how you're going to use it, you might not even see that warping effect at all.